Hey yo guys, welcome back. Today we are in Godavari Pushkar Vanam. This is my brother Dheeraj. Say hello to friends.
Hello guys, my name is Dheeraj.
So we are entering to the Godavari Pushkar Vanam. Let's go. We are entering into the Pushkar Vanam. We can see that some quotations are written here, which I don't like to read. No problem. Let's continue. It's written that drinking water is there, but they are giving drinking water here. What the hell? Yeah, it's a nice place to play and even a nice place to take rest. Dheeraj, what he's doing? Go wherever, just play, play and play. Leave him. Just enjoy the nature in this place. See this beautiful sign. It's very beautiful. Guys, today you are going to see my parents. Here.
Hi.
These are my parents. Here comes my running brother. He came from there very fastly. Okay, let's continue the vlog. See my brother. There he is sliding. Never listens to me, man. What to say? See this nature. Very beautiful. See my parents. They are coming and taking rest. Evergreen work for them. See. That's very beautiful place. Some quotations again. Not interested. A cow. Wow, very cute. Here. Both are my parents. Let's click some pictures. See guys, my brother is sad. He is going alone. He wants me to play with him. So let's go play with him. By the way, the nature is very beautiful. Oh man, these quotations. See guys, if you want to read, I'm zooming it. Just read if you want. Okay, let's go. There is my brother. See, he's there. I think he wants me to come and play with him. Let's go. Camera flip. Let's go. That's my brother. Coming guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm going inside these bushes. Yeah. There's my brother. He's waiting for me. Let's go. Let's go. Camera flip. Oh my god. These ants. Oh, it's very big. Everywhere. Oh man. See how much big. Here is my brother waiting for me to play. Let's play, bro. Sit properly first of all. Sit and hold it or else you will fall. Okay, Dheeraj, are you ready? You're in the air. Don't you get scared, Dheeraj? Let's try that thing. Let's go, Dheeraj. Let's try that thing. I'll slowly drop you. Wait. Man, without balancing us, it's balanced. Let's go. Come, Dheeraj. Key that he can slide. Let me also slide once. Okay. I'm going. I think when I was, oh man, I'll fall. When I was in first class, I think I slided. Now I don't think that I can slide.
Class now you are.
Putting the vlog and sliding is very hard, I think so. But I will try. Okay.
Yup.
You ready? Okay guys. Okay, I'm very scared. The mobile should not drop, by the way. Whatever happens. Okay, I'll say my brother to hold the camera.
Yeah.
Hold the camera, bro. Okay guys. I'm going.
Yeah.
It's very hard. Dheeraj is now on the swing. Let's see how he swings. Dheeraj, are you ready? Let's start. Dheeraj, swing. I think he can't swing alone. Let's help him to swing. Bro, hold it tightly or else you will fall, Dheeraj. Okay, ready? Ready? Woo! Okay, let's pull you to the back. Leave. And just Push! Don't do like that or else you will fall. Playing on the swing is very fun. Guys, the ways to go inside this is from there. But we are legends. We use shortcuts. Okay. Cow. Cow. Where are our parents, guys? Man. See, there they are. There is my father. Okay, let's take the view. Let's have some cinematic shots. Very beautiful, by the way. Everything is very beautiful for me. Oh man, let's go. Meet you there. This is the very memory moment. See my brother. He's giving the Titanic pose. Let's take a snapshot. Beautiful. No work for Dheeraj. Just running in the way. See, there is a long distance to cover in this park. I think this is the very big park. Let's go. I will have to go with Dheeraj. Let me go with Dheeraj. 1 second. Let's go. Going with Dheeraj. Just fun. What a beautiful entrance. Actually, the designers didn't do that. It's the nature effect. 1 minute, I will show you. These are just made of bamboos. Inside, before it was an yoga center. But now, yeah, we have some of the yoga steps there. Yeah, this is the yoga center. Actually, many schools come here and eat lunch. This is better for lunch place. My sound. Very nice echo. I think it's the nursery there. I don't think they will let us inside. Let's take a small peek. Yeah, I think some of the vegetables, I think so.
No? Hey, here.
You can see it. It's very beautiful though. It's a deep forest inside. Oh, my father is telling that snakes may be there. Okay, let's go. Ants. Ants will be there everywhere. Before, when we came here, we played shuttle there. I think there only, not that? Yeah, there only we played shuttle. Now it's completely filled with grass. Very beautiful area. There are my parents. Place. Let's take some cinematic shots. Guys, this is very important. See, think. Always everybody carry 250 grams of smartphone, 350 grams of power bank. Why can't people carry 30 grams of cloth or paper bag? Think about it. Guys, we are going into the deep forest. Let's go check what's inside. Let's TP to there. 3, 2, 1. We TP'd from there to here. See guys. Oh man. It's very scary. Oh my god. Let's go into that way. My god, very scary place. My father and brother are looking something. Oh. Very scary place. My god. Very deep forest inside. Oh my god, what's there? See that, the bamboo. My mother is getting scared. But see my brother.
He's enjoying.
He's enjoying so much here. Father is beating mother that she's very scared to come here. Guys, we are sitting here and enjoying the nature. Let me also sit with the family. Enjoying the nature is very happiest thing. Let's take rest. Wow, very beautiful. My father said that this is Krishna Tulasi, not normal Tulasi. Filled with Krishna Tulasi. My parents are going front. Let's go. Meet you there. TP. Now we are entering into the dark zone. Let's enter. We are entered into the dark zone. This area is fully filled with bamboos and these long trees. 1 minute. This tree, how tall it's, see. And let me zoom, see. It's very tall. My brother, see, he is enjoying here. Many bamboos are togetherly packed here. Very beautiful. Many people come here for photo shoots because these bamboos are curved that side and this side for a nice look. Let's play. Okay guys, let's TP to the start. Let's TP. Guys, we are TP to the quotations area. Mom, come to here. We will go to bike. We will TP fastly. Are you guys all ready to TP?
Yes.
TP. We are already to the bike. Meet you all in the home. Bye bye.